Hello, just received this amazing travel suitcase type of a wonderful super coloring box set from my loveliest elder sis Ayesha. It is from Faber Castle. I am going to show you this box from all sides. See, notice this. See this lock and handle. I am definitely going to decorate a piece in my room. I will love using it. Totally adore it. Let's open it. Wow, this is an amazing suitcase. Let's open it. Wow, it's a passport copy. You can see. This is sketch pens. There are many colors. You can see this is matte sticker and back text. This is a tag. And this is some sticker to decorate this suitcase. And there is some more stickers. You can see. Aren't they marvelous? Coloring is a very healthy activity for children. It improves concentration and intellect child. You can see this is sketch pen. Thank you. Wish a happy coloring. Bye bye.